So, Flippy, explain what we're looking at.
What we are looking at is an artistic rendition of the guy who broke in our house about a week ago. I just decided to draw this shit. And it just happened to look like the monkey from Invader Zim.
The monkey painting from Invader Zim.
Mm-hmm. They have in the back, the couch.
Kind of, only, you know, a little altered.
Mm-hmm. So this is a gift for my housemates that he made for them.
Yes, I painted this.
Mm-hmm.
It took all but a day. A day to do. To do that thing I do. Well, you know, half of one day, half of the other day. That equals to 1 day. That's, you know, some people would sit there and go, oh, it took me 2 days to make it. But really, like, mathematically, it took me just, like, 1 day. And not even, like, that whole day, really.
Not even a whole 24 hours.
Not even a whole 24 hours. Like, maybe more like about, like, with all the time together that I spent on this painting, probably about, about 18 hours maybe, yeah. That first day was a good portion of the fucking day. The next day was just mostly the morning. And then just doing touch-ups here and there every once in a while. You can't see the background because, once again, quality of camera. It's on a fucking phone. But we got some lovely kitties to look at, too. Rusty! 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 And Ghost. Rusty's on my lap right now. He's playing peekaboo. Almost. Rusty. Ghost! Ghost? I think Ghost died. Which means he might be coming back to life soon.
He'll start haunting him a bit.
Ghost. Ghost. Oh, he's all afraid now. You fucker. Look what you did. You scared Ghost.
Nope, I just petted him.
And in petting him, doing so, you scared him.
That's just speculation.
That's just speculation. What are you doing?
I am squeezing lime juice into this cup. So you just pour it in, then I have to squeeze it in that fucking water bottle.
And do you have a funnel?
Hmm?
Wait a minute. Look at this. We're going to pour it from here, which, by the way, there's more seeds in there you're going to have to take out.
I know. That's why I didn't just...
You're going to somehow pour it from there into this water bottle. Let's take a look at this, people. You better have a fucking funnel. Do you have a funnel?
This is your face.
You could use your beer bong.
Really, that gigantic fucking beer bong.
That gigantic beer bong.
Juice.
Let's show us the beer bong.
Make me fucking pour
Yeah, I know. We're gonna make you show. You know, this isn't even my house, and it's my video going on my channel, but it's not even my house or my shit. This is all your shit and a house you share with 3 other people. Only 2 of which stay here regularly with you.
This is Sid.
This is Sid.
Flipping you off right now.
Fuck you, nigga! Hey! Hey! My name is Sid, and I get fucked up! Yeah, I get fucked. I get other people fucked up, and I can't help but to headbang usually when I talk.
Back in your cave you go, Sid.
No! Let me out! Let me out! No! Don't put me back in there with all these motherfuckers! They don't like me! They don't even talk to me! They don't even have faces! Don't put that over me! Ow! Motherfucker, that hurts! Oh! You only have half a head!
He's got a face.
He's not on the side I am!